Geobyte.
Dear students, remember work can be developed by either constant force or with variable force. Okay, first let us discuss the work done by a constant force. For that, look at the arrangement. There is a body which is lying on the horizontal platform. Consider a force acting on the body in this particular direction at an angle theta with respect to horizontal. Here theta is less than 90 degrees. Since force F is acting at an angle theta with respect to horizontal, it is developing two component of forces. One is horizontal component of force F cos theta. Other one is F sin theta. Here F sin theta is the normal force or vertical component of force. Because of the F cos theta, the body may be moving to some another location. This may be the final position of the body. This is the final position of the body. Then look at the displacement in the body. The displacement in the body is yes. Then according to physics, the work equal to the component of force causing for displacement, that is F cos theta multiplied by the displacement S, can also be written as work equal to Fs cos theta. Okay, that can be also written as work equal to F bar dot S bar. Here, though the force and displacement both are vector quantities, the work is coming under scalar quantity. Work is a scalar quantity. Scalar quantity. The reason is work is not obeying the law of addition of vectors. That's why work is coming under scalar quantity. Therefore, work is the dot product of two vector quantities. Let me write that point. Therefore, work is the dot product of dot product of two vector quantities. Two vector quantities, namely force first one, force second one, the displacement. Okay. Similarly, if such kind of forces are acting many on the body to shift its position from from one position vector to another position vector, then work can be decided like this. Let F1, comma F2, comma F3, comma so on, Fn are the different forces are acting on the body to shift the position vector position vector to shift the position vector from r1 bar to r2 bar, then work equal to then work W equal to algebraic sum of forces F1 plus F2 plus F3 plus so on plus Fn is the net force multiplied by change in position vector R2 bar minus R1 bar. Of course, all the forces you can write with bar. That is how you can decide work when different forces are acting on the same body to shift the position vector from R1 bar to R2 bar. Understood clearly? Yes.
Geobyte.